I've been seeing a lot of problems with online or store-bought wills lately. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to explain some of the things that I've seen. A lot of times, those will packages that you purchase online or at Office Depot or one of those places, they have lines that people fill in the blanks. And I've seen a number of problems with those wills. One of them was that there was no attestation clause. There was no affidavit that was done at the end by the two additional witnesses going ahead and attesting that the testator knew what they were doing, that they were over 18 years old, they were not being coerced, the self-proven affidavit. So then we had to go ahead and find the witnesses and get a second affidavit in order to have the court accept the will. Another one that I recently saw, there was a problem in that the will had some lines and some writing for some specific bequests. A specific bequest would be, I want my tools to go to X. I want my 1968 Mustang to go to Y. However, the will didn't have anything regarding the residuary clause, didn't have anything regarding how things that were not specifically accounted for would be split up between the family. And there were a couple of people who were not mentioned in the will who were also children of this person, but they were not specifically excluded from the will. And so it became a mess between the family to sort out how the residuary stuff, the stuff that was not specifically bequested or bequeathed to somebody, would be split up. So those are some of the problems that I've seen with the store-bought wills, and something you really have to watch out for. You want to make sure that the signing requirements are correct. You want to make sure that the will has all the stop gaps. And if you are going to write somebody out of your will, you want to make sure that it is in the will itself. If you have any questions regarding a Northwest Indiana estate plan or probate matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.